Hi guys, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like Itube AJ channel. So, let's move on to the next tutorial videos.
Open a new composition and remake the settings. In the next step, we enter the text and set it. Good. Open the text and from the animate section, click on the opacity. Here we zero the opacity. And we give a keyframe to the start and change the time to 4 seconds. Then we change the start from 0 to 100. Open the advance option. And here we on the randomize order option. And we make the keyframe. And then we change the time to 0 seconds. And we reduce from 120 to 0. Good. We copy the text. And turn off the text. And we change this part of the text. Then enter the text and then open the animator. And turn on the text below. Thanks for watching. Please click the like and subscribe button to support me.